Hey people, so we are at this place called Zawarma, and it is, if you were to take a look at it, it's actually by the beach, so that's what makes it special. And any idea what this yellow color building in front of us is? It's it's a government building, if I remember right. Oh, it's a French consulate. Yeah. So this is the French consulate that you can see in front of us. And my previous video got 570 views. So now I'm feeling responsible that I need to talk sense, because and that particular video was shot on the Marina Beach. So today we went hunting for a beach and then we were not too successful. But probably these out. Yeah, it was called Serenity Beach, but we never finally went there. And but here I'm so happy to be sitting in this place here, because at least I'm able to see the sea in the far distance. So yeah, this is already a 1 minute video, but really people, once the food comes, I'll do a short video again. So, and this is called Zawarma, Zawarma, something like that. So yeah, and this is French consulate building. So on that note, thanks for watching.
And
Please
don't subscribe.